Hello and welcome to Teen TV. It was recently announced that the Lisa May Foundation had been chosen as Sainsbury's chosen charity of the year for the one in Farnborough. So on the 10th of August 2012, that very Sainsbury's hosted an opening ceremony for the umbrella charity, and it was one heck of a party. Now I've been joined by John May, who founded the Lisa May Foundation. John, thank you for talking to us.
Pleasure.
First of all, how did the Lisa May Foundation sort of...
Well, in 2004 on Boxing Day, of course, there was a big tsunami in Thailand. Well, the whole of Asia was affected in many ways. And unfortunately, my daughter died on PP Island there. So we set up a foundation for a memory, really. So that's how it all started. That's why we're here today. We're really grateful that we're here in Sainsbury's in Farnborough.
All right, John May, thanks very much.
Thank you very much indeed.
And
well done for everything you do.
Last year, the Lisa May Foundation became an umbrella charity, meaning they now support 4 other charities a year. They are currently supporting the Frimley Park Hospital Heart Appeal, the Prostate Project, Parity and Kennel Lane School. Be sure to check out the Lisa May Foundation website. It's lisamayfoundation.org. They are also on Facebook and Twitter. The Lisa May Foundation are now looking forward to an exciting year working with the Farnborough Sainsburys.